हाय फ्रेंड्स, एमसीक्यू सीरीज में आपका स्वागत है। आइए देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हिच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग रॉक्स इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग थ्री ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स मोड ऑफ origin? ऑप्शन ए लाइमस्टोन, ऑप्शन बी सैंडस्टोन, ऑप्शन सी शेल, ऑप्शन डी मार्बल। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी मार्बल। Which of the following landforms is not associated with river erosion? Waterfall, received valley, moraines, oxbow lake. Right answer option C, moraines. Question number 3. Which of the following latitude is the longest? Option A 23 degree north, option B 66 degree north, option C 0 degree, option D 80 degree north. Option C right answer 0 degree. Question number 4. Two places on the same meridian must have the same lengths of summer, lengths of winter, latitude, solar time. Right answer option D, solar time. Question number 5. When it is 6 am on 0 degree meridian, at the same time, what time would be there in India? Right answer option C, 11:30 am. Question number 6. Which of the following process helps in the formations of Rift Valley? Option A seismism, faulting, folding, volcanism. Right answer faulting, fault. Options. Question number 7. Which of the following names is given to the planetary winds blowing between the tropics? Option A monsoon, option B polar winds, option C australias, option D trade winds. Right answer option D trade winds. Question number 8. Which of the following cities is not located on Varanasi Chennai rail route? Option A Hyderabad, option B Nagpur, C Jabalpur, D Allahabad. Right answer option D Allahabad. Question number 9. Where is Dead Sea situated in the following continents? Right answer option C Asia. 10th. Which of the following industries is most developed in the Great Lakes regions of North America? Cement and paper, steel and engineering. Right answer option B, steel and engineering. 11th. Which of the following group of countries is most famous for exporting wool and meat? Australia, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Argentina, France, Chile. Australia, Argentina, New Zealand. Right answer Australia, Argentina, New Zealand. C. Which of the following soil is most suitable for the cultivations of cotton in India? Ragur soil. Right answer option D. Which of the following state groups is the largest producers of iron ore in India? Right answer option A Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. 14th. Which of the following landforms is different from other three on the basis of the mode of origin? A fault, B anticline, option C nappe, option D Rift Valley. Right answer Rift Valley, option D. 15th. Question number 15th. Which of the following landforms is not associated with glaciation? Option A Hanging Valley, option B moraines, option C Enselbar, option D Drumlin, option C right answer option C. 16th. Which of the following order is given to the planets of solar systems on the basis of their size? On the basis of their size. Right answer option B Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Mercury. Question 17th. As we go higher into the atmosphere, the air becomes option A thinner, option B dense, option C warmer, option D visible, option A thinner. Right answer. Question number 18. On which of the following longitude the Indian Standard Time is determined? Option A, right answer. 92 degree 30 minute east. Question number 19. Which of the following oceans are connected by Panama Canal? Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. Right answer option A. 20. For which crop productions is Sao Paulo famous? Right answer option C, coffee. 21. Which of the following state group is largest producer of mineral oil in India? Gujarat, UP, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Assam, UP, Bihar. Option D, Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Right answer option D, Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Question number 22. Which of the following waterway does not pass through the Panama Canal? London, Honolulu. Option B, New York, San Francisco. Option C, New York, Buenos Aires. Right answer option C. Which of the following latitude is a great circle equator? Right answer option A. 24. Which of the following city is not located on Delhi-Calcutta rail route? Kanpur, Allahabad, Gaya, Varanasi. Varanasi, right answer option D. Which of the following industries is famous in the rural industrial regions of Europe? Textile and chemicals, steel and engineering, cement and paper. Right answer option B, steel and engineering. 26. Question number. If the directions of the Earth's rotations on its axis is east-west, what would be the directions of the trade wind blowing in southern hemisphere? Southwest, southeast, northeast, northwest. Right answer southeast, option B. 27. The coldest hour of the day is approximately 5 am, 9 pm, 3 am. Right answer option C, 3 am. 28. Which of the following is fiber mineral? Zinc, asbestos, coal, asphalt. Right answer option B. What are asteroids? Minor planets revolving round the suns between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. B. Luminous celestial bodies moving round the suns. Option C. A group of fixed stars arranged naturally. Option A, right answer option A. What is isthmus? The mouth of a river where it joins the sea, a narrow strips of sea dividing two oceans, a narrow strips of lands joining to sea or oceans. Right answer option C. 31. Which of the following phenomena causes the shape of the earth? Internal structure, atmospheric pressure, rotation, revolution. Right answer rotation option C. 32. Which of the following is the locations of a point on the globe that is antipodal to 65 degree north latitude and 30 degree east longitude? 65 degree north latitude, 30 degree west longitude, 30 degree south, 65 degree east, 65 degree south, and 150 degree west longitude. Right answer C. 33. The surface of the earth is still irregular and swayed of millions of years of gradations because gradations is a slow process. Gradation does not reduce irregularities. Depositions of material re-elevates the lands. Parts of the crust have been uplifted. Right answer option D. 34th. What would result if the sedimentary deposits of the Ganga plains is compressed between the Himalaya and the Deccan Plateau and then uplifted? Option A, block mountains. Option B, fold mountain. C, Rift Valley volcanic plateau. Right answer option B, Fault Mountain. 35. What would happen to ocean water if the moon comes nearer to the earth? Right answer option D, increases in height of oceanic tides. 36. The line joining place of equal atmospheric pressure is termed isobar. Option D, right answer. 37. What would happen to types of rainfalls if the Earth's surface becomes all plain? No cyclonic rainfall, no orographic rainfall, no conventional rainfall. Right answer option B. The maximum risk of air travels is from clouds, rainfall, fogs, strong winds. Right answer option C. 39. Which one of the following countries is the largest producers of rice in the world? China. Right answer option A. Which of the following countries possesses a strong natural resource base for iron and steel industry? Russia, Pakistan, Japan, Bangladesh. Right answer option A, Russia. 41. The present day search for fuels alternative to petroleum is due mainly to Iran-Iraq war. Option B, strained relations between the Israel and Middle East countries. Option C, highly increased cost of petroleum. Option D, increase in the consumptions of petroleum. Right answer option D. 42. What is the population density of a district which has 15 lakh people and 25,000 square kilometer area? Right answer option D, 200% per square kilometer. 43. The Savana time the Savana type of climate is characterized by option A, humid summers and humid winters. Option B, humid summers and dry winters. Option C, humid winters and dry summers. Right answer option B, humid summers and dry winters. 44. Question number 44. Given below are the climate data of a particular station. In which of the following natural regions is the station located? Temperature, rainfall, degrees centigrade, centimeters, degree centigrade centimeters. January 23.3, 1.8, February 23.3, 1.8, March 21.1, 2.5, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Option A, warm temperature east coast type. Option B, warm temperate west coast type. Option C, warm temperate continent type. Option D, hot deserts. Option B, warm temperate west coast type. Question number 45. Which of the following groups of countries is arranged in descending order of area? Countries arranged in descending order of area: Russia, Canada, China, USA. Right answer option A. Which of the following industrial regions of USA is located mainly on the basis of hydroelectric power? The New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore regions. Option B, the Southern New England region. Option B, right answer. 47. Question number 47. The should India increases in order to become one of the most prosperous countries of the world? Food production, industrial production. Right answer option B, industrial productions. 48. Question number 48. Water power potentials of India is great, but it has not been developed to its full extent. The major deterrent being that option A, coal is available in plenty, therefore it is not necessary to develop water power. Option B, raw materials required for the productions of electric transformers are not available in India. Option C, rainfall is seasonal and as so requires costly storage reservoirs. Option D, lack of the technical skills hinders the developments of water power. Option C, right answer. Rainfall is seasonal and as such requires costly strong reservoirs. 49. Question number 49. Which of the following regions has almost prevalent types of natural vegetation in India? The Himalayan mountain, the Deccan plateau, the Ganga plain, the coastal plains. Right answer option C, the Ganga plain. Question number 50. For which of the following manufacturing industry does India have the most natural resource? Class synthetic rubber. Option B, synthetic rubber. Option C, iron and steel industries. Option D, aluminium. Right answer option C, iron and steel industries. Iron and steel industries. Okay, friends. Thank you.